Hi, it's Hadil Al Musallam, and you are watching a fashion designer's journey segment of our journey. I am currently at Kuwait's International Airport heading to. We'll see. Welcome to Paris! I'm actually now, as you can see, I'm actually just outside the Notre Dame. It's amazing. It reminds me of course, I don't know if it reminds me too, of the cartoon, Disney's cartoon, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. I love that cartoon, and did you know it's been 20 years since that cartoon came out, and it's amazing. But Notre Dame is not only about the cartoon. Designers generally, as I said, they need to look out for sources of inspiration. Whether it's architectural, like this one, like this beautiful architectural building behind me. It's amazing, and I've never been inside. And let me see if I can get a few photos just to complete this segment of our journey. And we'll see. Hello, hello. Sorry, it's really cold. It's like 2 degrees outside. Anyway, so we are in Premier Vision. Today is the first day of the exhibition. I just finished the seminar, the color tasting seminar for Spring Summer 2017. I can't believe it's time. It's amazing, and it's freezing cold. I swear, it's like freezing cold. So today, since today is the first day, actually, you know what? If you don't know what that means, I actually went and I went there last September, and I documented everything back at the video, so you can see a fashion designer's journey, London and the City of Lights. You can see all the information there. But today I want to focus on the accessories part, since last time I focused on the manufacturing. Today I'm going to focus on the accessories, and we'll see what we're going to do with our brand. And I'll talk to you soon, and if I can take a few photos, I will, and I will show you too. But we'll see. We'll definitely see. Okay. Hello. I'm not sure if you can see me. Yes, that's much better. Okay, so this is day 2 of Premier Vision, and I'm not outside because outside is like how do you say it? It's -3 or -4 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty cold, and I've seen even traces of snow outside, so no, it's not outside for me. Anyway, today I'm going to focus on fabrics for Spring Summer 2017. I want to see what is trending. I want to see what fabrics can I work with, because as a designer too, you need to understand your strengths based on fabrics, whether you can work with that, you can't work with that, and what looks more feminine than not. I think next season's theme, like the general theme, is more a sporty like, but we'll see. We'll play with it. And I'm not sure as well if I can get another photo. Yesterday I couldn't. It was really no. But we'll see. We'll definitely see, and I'll let you know more when we begin our Spring Summer 2017 segment of our journey. Hello. Today's the last day, finally, but not finally, because I don't want to leave. But it's so tiring. I'm tired. But yeah, so today I finished the day 3 tasks. I went to generally look around. I didn't focus on anything today. I finished what I wanted for this coming season, which is Spring Summer 2017. As you see behind me, the poster. But since it's raining outside, I want to shoot outside, but it's raining. I couldn't do it, so we'll see. But I don't want to leave. So sad. But I can't wait to share with you what I found out. I swear, it's amazing. So now we're gonna go for our next stop.
Come a little closer. Turn another page in the story of what's waiting for you. Step into the wonder. Of everything you picture as it comes into view. Once upon a time, used to be long, long ago, used to be far, far away. Look how far we've come today. Once upon a time, it's suddenly right here and now, right before our eyes. This happy ending's just beginning. It must have been my surprise. It's just like we dreamed it. As far as I can see, it's just like we dreamed it. As good can be.
She's so cute. Okay, so now, what did you feel when you saw Disneyland logo, or you saw the garden, or you saw the palace? What did you feel? Did you feel anything at all? Because that's what's important in terms of anything, your emotions. Now, fashion designers take that, and remember when I told you that lines are the most important thing? Lines when you're coming, for example, this. Can you see it here? See here? We can take inspiration from lines, squares, circles, whatever you want. But fashion designers can go that far in terms of capturing the emotions and converting it into lines and circles and a dress. And you can actually feel it in the clothing that you feel. For example, if I gave you a Cinderella outfit, you feel something. If you can't feel it, so watch the movie. You have to feel something. And it's interesting to see because, I don't know, it's like a very happy place. We're gonna start now wandering around and see what I can capture in terms of emotions, and if I'm gonna use it in my coming seasons. We'll see. We'll capture some and I'll show you if I found something interesting, like a natural setting, not the line, just the natural people taking pictures and hugging and whatever. But it's really interesting. I'm so excited. Anyway, the child in me just came out. Anyway, but yeah, hope you'll enjoy it, and I'll see you in our last and final, let's say, stop in our journey.
Magically
welcome to our final stop at our journey. Today, I'm going to take you to a very special place in which I found out that there is such a place in Paris. Now, but before I actually talk to you about this particular brand or place itself, as you can see, it's behind me. I'm not going to show you what that name is. I'm going to tell you a little story. I was walking down the hallway at our house, and suddenly I smelled something beautiful, simply beautiful. Now, what did I smell? It reminded me of. I don't know how you call it in English, but it's a Mediterranean or Middle Eastern dessert, and it's called knafa in Arabic. And what we do, or what they do, is they actually add this syrup, the sugary syrup, on top, and it smells heavenly. Now, when I smelled this similar essence or similar, let's say, scent, I went to my mom. I was like, "Mom, what is that smell? Do we have a knafa today, or what are we having?" And she was like, "No, this is this perfume I got from Bernard." I was like, "What is that smell?" She told me, "This is the Fragonard's Orange Blossom," and that's it. It just clicked. I love the perfume. I love the essence. I love the whole, how do you say, euphorical state it gets me. And I'm proud to say I am in the museum today, which I'm gonna take you like in a short tour. And later that day, or later this day, I'm gonna show you a glimpse of. They have this sort of perfumery or perfume workshop I'm gonna do, and we'll see, because not only do I love the smell of the orange blossom that they have, but their range, their flower range, and the patchouli and the orange blossom and the jasmine, like intense type of smell, and I love it all. So I'm gonna take you there, and we'll see. And if you have any questions or any comments, leave it under like the comments, and I'll see you next time.
बीते लम्हे
दे दिया, गम दे दिया।
किसे पूछूं है ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है।
खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिशान सा, वक्त भी यहाँ है। हर पल हर लम्हा मैं कैसे सहता हूँ, हर पल हर लम्हा मैं खुद से ये कहता रहता हूँ, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही